Welcome back again, everybody. This is George at the Volo Auto Museum, and today's virtual test drive is going to be on a 1956 Pontiac Chieftain. This is just a blast from the past. Beautiful. Body off, frame restored. Just gorgeous. I love the 1950s cars. The attention to detail that they put on stuff is just amazing. Like the moldings, the paint colors, I like those schemes. I talked about that in another video too. Let's go ahead, if you haven't already, click subscribe on the YouTube channel and turn on the notifications so you can be the first to see the videos. We are selling cars really quick. Man, this thing's just beautiful. Little door flapper works. The interior is just gorgeous. The headliners, not stained, not torn. The paint inside looks beautiful. The dash, I even love the steering wheel, the big boat steering wheel, and then the floating emblem in there. It's awesome. I'm gonna start it up. Starts right up. I did notice the blower. Blower kicks on. And one thing is too that they took the time and a lot of money to fix is the radio. They replaced the guts of it. So it actually is an FM radio. And it's loud. Sorry, I couldn't play more of the song. We get flagged by YouTube. But overall, this is just a beautiful car. I really love it. So let's go take it for a ride. Horn works. Shift, speedometer works. Has the little orange part that comes up. We're doing these test drives. This is the first time for us in the shop getting a chance to take it out on the road as well. So this is where we'll find out stuff like alignment, transmission, anything that needs to be done before it goes to its new owner. Seems to drive pretty straight. Have to check out the steering wheel alignment or get it up on the rack, check it out. Brakes, good. I love getting the chance to cruise around in really all our cars, but you give me something from the 50s and I just can't take the smile off my face. Pretty easy ride. Feels like you're floating a little bit in these bigger vehicles. We have a pretty awesome outdoor drive-in theater close by, and this would be one of my dream cars to be able to take down there, maybe take the wife on a date or something. I'll have to talk to Jay, see if I can borrow this. See if it has any get up and go. Yeah, definitely still has some scoot to it. at about 50 right now. The attention to detail in this when they restored it is just incredible. And the fact that they updated the radio and left the face and everything original. I can really appreciate that. Is it gonna make it? She does. Just a real beautiful car. It'll turn heads. It makes you feel like just a winner when you're driving it. I don't know. These classic cars just, they make you feel a special way inside when you're getting to drive them around. And so if you didn't already, do us a favor, click subscribe, turn on those notifications so you get alerted first every time we post a video. And then go on over to volocars.com. We have just a slew of more pictures, really in detail, that we take in our on our turntable in our photo booth. And then Jay also has all the specifications and the pricing. So yeah, as always, I appreciate you.